In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Superscript, Subscript, and character spacing in PowerPoint. Mastering these formatting techniques can elevate your presentations, making them visually engaging and easier to understand for your audience. So, let's dive in. First, let's get started by launching PowerPoint on your desktop. Open up your desired presentation where you'd like to apply some advanced text formatting. Once you have the presentation open and ready, identify the specific text you want to format. Go ahead and select this text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Once you have your text highlighted, shift your attention to the Home tab located at the top of your PowerPoint window. Now, within the Home tab, focus on locating the font group. This is usually situated toward the left section of your toolbar. Look closely, and you'll see a small diagonal arrow in the bottom right corner of this font group. Give that a click to open up the font dialog box, which is where all the magic will happen today. Once you've opened the font dialog box, you'll notice a section labeled Effects. Here, you'll find options for Superscript and Subscript. Checking the Superscript box will elegantly raise your selected text slightly above the normal text line, while choosing Subscript will lower it just below the baseline. These are particularly useful for mathematical equations or chemical formulas that require precise positioning of numbers or symbols. Moving on from the Effects section, let's delve into character spacing. Directly adjacent to the Font tab on your toolbar, you'll spot an option for character spacing. Click on this to explore your spacing choices. In the drop-down menu that appears, you can choose between normal, expanded, or condensed spacing. Note that different versions of PowerPoint might label these options differently, but their functionality remains the same. After you've selected your desired character spacing, take a glance beside the drop-down. You'll find a field where you can specify the number of points for your spacing. This feature allows you to customize just how much space you want between your characters. Lastly, if you seek even more precision, there's an option to explore kerning for fonts. Kerning adjusts the space between individual letter pairs to achieve a visually pleasing result. You can activate this feature by clicking on the kerning option and specifying the point size from which you want it to be applied. And there you have it. Simple, yet powerful formatting techniques in PowerPoint that can significantly enhance the readability and impact of your text. Practice these steps, and soon enough, you'll impress your audience with professional-looking slides. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your presentation skills.